What's up, guys? It's been a while. My name's still Derek. I still like cars, and Hayden's eating a popsicle.
I'm done with the popsicle.
Sick.
The front fell off.
Hi. So, Hayden's filming right now because I suck. What a guy. So, as you can maybe see behind me, this is Scoob. It's seen better days. Some things may have transpired last year, which if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know that. We rebuilt this car to get it ready for Wagon Fest Seattle last year in September.
First start, let's check this out. Woo! Damn, son. First crank. Yeah. Sick. Good job. Alright.
And after thrashing all week on rebuilding the motor, it fucking blew up! So, I retired it and put all the parts into my 6-cylinder car. Today, it's not very exciting because everyone, including me, thought that this car was completely done for because it's got, well, a blown engine and also a lot of rust. Now, I have a solution for that, and it involves this thing outside. This is a 1998 Subaru Legacy Wagon automatic with the 2.2. It has 297,000 miles, and this was supposed to be our Project Rally car for the 208 Long Boys team. However, it's been used for one event by me only. So, it's going bye-bye because we don't need it, we don't care about it. Actually, I hate it was the second. And it's going to a greater cause, which is reviving Scoob. That's real good.
Nice cam, Haas.
God bless. It's definitely got bad gas by now.
Yeah.
Because we haven't driven this thing in months.
Yeah.
Now that it's decided to idle, we're gonna load it up on the trailer and deliver it to its new owner. Due to the unique way the BBC's funded, it doesn't want to idle now, so it's getting winched. Easy. This is a Mustang that we're trying to record over. So we got it loaded up. We got parts loaded up in it. Hayden's drinking a pineapple Fanta.
Yeah.
I will be too soon. Shadow. Sponsor us?
No.
No. Yeah, so a little bit of backstory. I don't know what the backstory is.
Yeah, what backstory? You explained it already.
I kind of did, didn't I?
Like, you bought the car to do race car stuff?
And it never got used for race car stuff other than once. And it wasn't good at it either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, now we're just gonna fix the Legacy.
Yeah, so...
But not really, because it's an Outback.
Yeah. Well, it is a legacy.
Well,
It's a legacy
like
Outback.
The Legacy of Scoob.
Ah, I see what you did there. This guy. The Outback we're picking up. Well, it's a factory 5-speed car. So that's nice because I now have a manual drivetrain to swap into my 6-cylinder.
To blow up.
Yeah, to blow up immediately because it's got too much torque for a 5-speed.
Yeah.
It also has an EJ252 that had head gaskets done about 20,000 miles ago. So theoretically a good engine, but the timing cover got a bit crunched in the accident. So we'll see.
You're gonna spare one of those.
Well, I got a spare heads.
So head?
And Hayden, first reactions to your second time seeing this car.
Oh, it's terrible.
Yes. Yes, it is. It's not good. It's had a bit of a moment.
Big crunch.
Big crunch.
Big crunch.
So yeah.
The fender up.
Oh, yeah, he did. It's oh yeah. It's fendant. Airbag off, obviously, but that's the important part right there. 5-speed manual. And black on gray interior. Which is mildly rare. What are we doing?
Making it roll.
Yeah? How are we doing that?
Pushing it.
Sick. No, we got a chain to hook up to Duramax.
Yeah.
And pull that out a little bit so it can roll a little easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, luckily for the integrity of the ground, we didn't have to pull anything out. It just kind of rolled. Not well, but it rolled. And Hayden...
That's why you bring the 12,000-pound winch.
That is. Hayden also got to be birthed by it, so that was cool. How was that experience?
Amazing.
Sick. So we got the donut on it. It definitely didn't fall off the jack because it wasn't in gear or e-brake on, but you know, we didn't get it on video, so it didn't happen. And the spare is flat. The spare is very flat. And the spare is real flat.
We don't have an air compressor here anymore.
Shit. We'll be back with these methods. Okay, so the donut was flat, and then the Steely was too small, so now it's on my BRZ snow tire wheel. And maybe it'll roll. Yeah, it got really hot, and we didn't want to film the car anymore, so it's a few hours later, and had to drop me out back at home. But we got one of my BRZ wheels thrown on the Outback, and got it parked, and that's where it's going to sit until we decide to do something with it. But the plan at the moment is to cut out the quarters and the driver rear dog leg. Probably take Scuba apart first and see how deep it goes, but yeah, figure out how much to cut basically, and then strip out the interior so I have a nice black and gray interior for school.
Interior, transmission, motor.
Transmission, motor.
Diff.
Yeah, diff too.
So
we're going to be like the Native Americans and use the entire car, and then throw it the fuck out.
So not like them, because they didn't throw anything out, they used it all.
Well, I'm using as much as I can use. I don't even know how many miles are on that thing because we couldn't get it to turn on because the battery exploded in the crash. So,
yeah,
you know, we'll see. It's a Subaru Outback. It's gonna go fix several more Subaru Outbacks.
pretty much.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll post more videos after this instead of taking a 3-year hiatus again. They are sometimes. It was good. I've owned several cars since I last posted. It was good.
They don't even know who I am.
No. Who are you? Who are you? You want to tell the ladies and gentlemen who you are?
No.
I'm not real.